Next part, it is June 8th, 2021. I just did a small drawing of a child from a Warsaw Ghetto photograph. I'm either going to frame it in this white frame here or in this black frame, same size. I may have actually drawn this child before. I have to look at all the detail imagery, and I believe it's Under the Wings 35, which I began in 1993 and completed in 2014. It has a whole number of different people portrayed in it. Called Claustrophobia in the Warsaw Ghetto, with a page of Judenrat issued ID work art of Friedrich Zellmann. So that's the photograph I did the drawing from. This child I drew early on in the series in 1992, called Child with Cap, Under the Wings 4. Anyway, this is going to, after I get it plexiglass sealed in the back and mounted on the wood base for the mosaic drawing combo in progress. All right, there you have it, to be continued.